The 2007 Toyota Camry Solara. The Toyota Camry Solara is the two-door coupe version of the standard Camry. This is a vehicle for people wanting the comfort and convenience of a sedan, while retaining the young, sporty feeling of a two-door coupe. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, CD changer, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.